Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to run successful Facebook ad campaigns. Running successful Facebook ad campaigns involves several key steps. First, define your goals. Clearly define the objectives of your ad campaign. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive website traffic, or promote a specific product or services? Your goals will shape the rest of your campaign strategy. Identify your target audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. Facebook provides robust targeting option, allowing you to reach specific groups of people. Use this information to tailor your ad content and maximize its relevance. Set budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your campaign. Facebook offers various bidding options, including cost per click, cost per thousand impressions, and cost per action. Choose the one that aligns with your objectives and budget. Create compelling ad content. Craft attention-grabbing and persuasive ad content. Use eye-catching visual, concise, and compelling copy, and clear calls to action. Test different variations of your ad to see what resonates best with your target audience. Utilize ad formats. Facebook offers various ad formats including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and collection ads. Experiment with different formats to see which ones perform best for your campaign. Consider the nature of your product or service and choose the format that effectively showcases its feature. Implement effective targeting. Leverage Facebook targeting option to reach the right audience. Utilize demographic filters, interests, behaviors, and custom audience targeting. Example, lookalike audiences to refine your targeting strategy. The more relevant your ad are to the audience, the higher the chances of success. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your ad campaign. Facebook provides detailed analytics and insights that can help you understand the effectiveness of your ad. Monitor key metrics such as click through rate, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. Use this data to optimize your campaign, make necessary adjustments, and improve performance. Test and iterate. Continuously test different ad variation, targeting option, and campaign strategy. A or B test your ads by changing one element at a time. To identify what works best, iterate based on the result and refine your campaign to achieve better outcomes. Retargeting. Implement retargeting campaigns to reach people who have previously engaged with your website, app, or ads. Retargeting can be a powerful strategy to re-engage potential customers and increase conversions. Ongoing optimization. As your campaign progresses, optimize your ad based on the data you collect. Adjust your targeting, bidding strategy, ad content, and budget allocation to improve performance and achieve your goals. Use compelling visuals. Visual content is crucial on Facebook. Ensure your images or videos are high quality, attention grabbing, and relevant to your target audience. Test different visuals to see which one resonates best and captures users' attention as they control through their feeds. Craft persuasive and ad copy. Write compelling and concise ad copy that clearly communicates the value proposition of your product or services. Highlight the benefits, address pain points, and use a persuasive language to entice users to take action. Tailor the messaging to match your target audience's language and preferences. Leverage social proof. Incorporate social proof elements such as customer testimonials, reviews, rating, or user generated content in your ad. This helps build trust and credibility. Encourage potential customers to engage with your hand. Implement conversion tracking. Set up Facebook conversion tracking to measure the actions users take after interacting with your ad, such as purchases, sign-ups, or download. This data will provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your campaign and enable you to optimize your targeting and bidding strategies. Utilize Facebook Pixel. Install the Facebook Pixel on your website to track website visitors and their interaction. This enables you to create custom audiences based on a specific action users take on your site, such as bidding, such as adding items to the cart or browser certain product categories. You can then retarget these audiences with relevant ads. So that's how to run successful Facebook ad campaigns. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.